So this is the final result. It is a lot darker than I originally planned, but the reason it's so much darker is because I had to do it a second time. So the first time, which is what you guys saw, I actually did not have enough hair dye. So the result was just very splotchy, and I had blonde highlights that definitely didn't look intentional because it wasn't, and it just was not a good look. So I immediately ordered another jar of hair dye. I had to wait a few days, and then the second I got it, I did it again, and this was the result. So I'm happy with it. I'm happy that it's all one color. As long as it's all one color, I'm happy. And even though it's darker, it's semi-permanent hair dye, so it'll fade very quickly to what I want, which is just a lighter purple. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the final results. So this hair dye is $16 a jar, which isn't too bad when you compare the amount of dye you get with other brands such as Manic Panic, Arctic Fox. You do get more dye in the Lime Crime Unicorn hair dye jars. It wasn't enough for me this time. I think I just underestimated how much longer my hair is because I've used it in the past multiple times and I always had more than enough, so I really thought that I'd be fine. But I guess my hair was more shoulder length and it is quite a bit longer, so always get two. But still the quality is so good, so to me it is worth it because it doesn't bleed at all, cleans up so easy, it feels so healthy. Even though it's annoying that I had to do it a second time, it feels even healthier the second time. So I don't mind that I had to get another jar. But if you do have shoulder length or really thin hair, or you have a pixie cut or something, I think you'd get away with one jar. Unless you have like really thick short hair, you might want to get two. I just recommend always getting two because the worst feeling ever is when you realize you don't have enough and then you have to order more, or you have to go to a store and your hair is all weird. That's like the worst feeling ever. I still love Lime Crime Unicorn hair dye. It's still my favorite semi-permanent dye. It's just the best quality for the best price. So yeah, I'm a big fan. Still my favorite dye, and I definitely recommend it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!